Let's break down the line of code we used previously to create a variable. Variables come in two parts. The first part is its name. This is the label we put on our box. In our case, the name of the variable is score. The second part is its value. This is what we want to put in the box. Here we store the number 42 in the variable score. What about the word var and the equal symbol? Well, the word var is an instruction that tells the computer to create a box. Any word that comes immediately after the instruction var will be the name of this new variable. We can read the first part of this instruction as create a variable named score. The second part of the instruction starts with the equal symbol. In fact, the equal symbol has a special name in programming. We call it the assignment operator because it's used to assign a value to the variable. Assigning is another way to say to give. Therefore, this whole instruction means create a variable named score, then give it a value of 42. Let's try creating another variable together. This one will store your age. In the code editor, start by writing the word var. This tells the computer that we want to create a new variable. Next, write the word age. This will be the label of our box. Finally, write the equal symbol and follow it with a number to represent your age. Finish off your instruction with a semicolon and hit Run Code.